Alright, Freddy, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. It's an absolute beautiful piece. It's all aluminum. It's got AFR heads on it. It's got a Ford aluminum block in it. Obviously it's got the Borla all polished stack injection. Fuel management. Holley Terminator X. Great system. Plug and play. I'll go in there and show you how it ran. Oh, obviously too, especially front end. Alrighty, down to 3,500, it's 496 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 542, peak horsepower 558. Rated at 550. Obviously it's got a front end on it, so that's about 15, so it runs really good. That's thanks to the Borla. We'll get her off there. I think we're putting this in a car for you, if I remember right, but have a great day.